Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to display sensitive media in posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC with the latest update. If you've ever come across a tweet that's hidden behind a warning or marked as sensitive, and you want to see such content without restrictions, this straightforward guide will walk you step by step through the settings you need to adjust. Start by opening your browser and navigating to x.com. Make sure you log into your account to access your feed and menu options. Once you're on your home screen, look to the left-hand side for the navigation panel. Here, find and click on the More icon. It's usually at the bottom of this sidebar, just below your profile and other main icons. After clicking More, a menu will pop up. Choose Settings and Privacy from the list. This is where you'll find all the critical controls for your X account, including privacy features and customization options. Inside Settings and Privacy, select Privacy and Safety. This section lets you manage what appears in your feed and how X protects your experience on the platform. Under Privacy and Safety, scroll until you find the Content You See option. Click this to reveal further controls related to media visibility. Now, look for the checkbox labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Placing a checkmark in this box allows all media flagged as sensitive by other users or by X to appear fully visible in your timeline and searches. You no longer need to click through warnings or miss out on posts hidden by default. That's all it takes. Once you've checked the box, your settings are saved automatically, so there's no need to confirm anything else. Head back to your feed, and you'll now be able to view posts with sensitive media whenever they come up. Thanks for watching.